Ready to upgrade your laundry game? We've tested the hottest washing machines of 2025, so you don't have to. Whether you're looking for unbeatable cleaning power, smart features, or just something that makes laundry day a little less of a chore, we've got you covered. Stick around to find out which machine truly spins above the rest. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which washer you think is best for your home. Your feedback helps us keep making these reviews better. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Electrolux ELFW7637AT. The Electrolux ELFW7637AT is a true standout in the world of washing machines. In our hands-on tests, it tackled everything we threw at it, from stubborn protein stains to greasy, oily spots, without breaking a sweat. One of the big highlights is its built-in water heater, which gives you the flexibility to sanitize clothes, remove allergens, and keep your whites looking bright and fresh. If you have kids, pets, or allergies in the family, this feature alone is a game changer. But it's not just about cleaning power. The Electrolux is loaded with user-friendly features that make laundry day easier. Instead of tossing detergent pods directly into the drum, there's a dedicated spot in the detergent drawer, ensuring even distribution and better results. The extended refresh option is another thoughtful touch. It gently tumbles your laundry after the cycle ends, so if you can't unload right away, you won't come back to musty-smelling clothes. Design-wise, the ELFW7637AT feels premium from top to bottom. The control panel is clear and intuitive, and the dial clicks satisfyingly into place, giving you confidence in its build quality. The large drum capacity means you can wash more in fewer loads, saving you time and energy. Overall, the Electrolux ELFW7637AT covers all the essentials and then some. It's efficient, powerful, and packed with features that make a real difference. That's why it earns our top spot in this year's rankings, combining performance, convenience, and quality in one impressive package. Number 2. GE Profile PTW800BPWRS. If you have a big family or just a lot of laundry, the GE Profile PTW800BPWRS is designed with you in mind. This top-loading washer boasts a massive 5.4 cubic foot drum, making it perfect for handling large loads. Think bedding, towels, and a week's worth of clothes in one go. It's a real time saver for busy households. But capacity isn't the only thing this washer has going for it. The PTW800BPWRS is packed with advanced features, including steam cleaning for deep stain removal, a 32-load detergent reservoir so you don't have to refill every time, and microban coatings in key areas to help prevent odors and bacteria buildup. That means your washer stays fresher, longer. We previously tested the PTW900BPTRS, and the main differences in this newer model are its exclusive sapphire blue color, and a switch from Alexa to GE's own Smart HQ voice assistant. Smart HQ brings more advanced AI technology, offering improved stain removal and optimized wash cycles tailored to your laundry needs. You can even control and monitor your washer from your phone, making laundry day more convenient than ever. Number 3. Samsung Bespoke WH46DBH500EVA3. If you're tight on space or just love a sleek, modern look, the Samsung Bespoke WH46DBH500EVA3 is a fantastic option. Stacking a washer and dryer is a great way to save space, but it often puts the dryer controls out of reach. Samsung solves this with a smart design, placing the control panel right in the middle, between the washer and dryer. It arrives pre-stacked, so setup is a breeze and everything is within easy reach. This model is loaded with thoughtful features. The washer can keep tumbling after a cycle ends to help prevent wrinkles, so your clothes come out looking their best. The dryer sends a notification to your phone when it's the perfect time to take out clothes for ironing, which is a real time saver. Plus, the Flex detergent dispenser automatically uses the right amount of soap for each load, so you don't have to guess. Despite all these extras, the WH46DBH500 EVA3 doesn't compromise on cleaning power. In our lab tests, it excelled at removing stains across all cycles. The standout feature here is AI OptiWash, which uses advanced sensors and programming to adjust cycle times, water, and spin speed based on what's inside the drum. Number 4. GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS Ventless All-In-One. The GE PFQ97HSPVDS is a true all-in-one solution, combining a washer and dryer in a single drum. This ventless unit is perfect for apartments, condos, or any home where space is at a premium. But don't let its compact size fool you. It delivers impressive performance on both washing and drying. With a spacious 4.8 cubic foot drum, this unit can handle family-sized loads with ease. The drum is coated with Microban, which helps keep high-touch surfaces resistant to mold and bacteria. In our experience, Microban is highly effective at maintaining a cleaner, fresher machine, even after months of use. One of the biggest advantages of the GE PFQ97HSPVDS is its energy efficiency, especially during drying. Thanks to advanced heat pump technology, it uses less energy while still delivering excellent results. You get the convenience of a washer and dryer in one, without sacrificing performance or running up your utility bills. If you're looking for a space-saving solution that doesn't compromise on cleaning or drying performance, the GE PFQ97HSPVDS washer-dryer combo is a smart choice. It combines convenience, hygiene, and efficiency in one sleek package. Number 5. LG WM6700HBA. The LG WM6700HBA stands out with its modern design and impressive performance, making it a great fit for busy families. First, it features a massive 5 cubic foot drum, allowing you to tackle large loads and speed up your laundry routine. The fast wash cycles help you get through piles of clothes quickly, while the automatic detergent dispenser adds extra convenience by delivering the right amount of soap every time. When it comes to cleaning power, the WM6700HBA delivers strong stain removal on most cycles. The only exception is the AI-powered wash, which took longer to complete and didn't clean as effectively as the other settings. Still, for most families, the combination of speed, capacity, and cleaning performance makes this washer a solid choice. The design is another highlight. The sleek, modern look fits seamlessly into any laundry room, and the intuitive controls make it easy to use. If you want a washer that combines style, speed, and solid cleaning performance, the LG WM6700HBA is a smart choice for any household. So, which is the best? For unbeatable cleaning power, smart features, and reliability, the Electrolux ELFW7637AT takes the crown. If you want the top performer of 2025, that's the one to get. Let us know your pick in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and happy Laundry Day!